Okay fellows, guys and girls, today we're doing a video with a cacophony of crows out back for some background noise. Anyhow, this is the turbine rotor out of the Doll 383/3, and we did a video the other day of it shaking fairly badly. So I've taken the armature, for the want of a better word, out of it and put it in the lathe, and yes, it was a little bit bent, that shaft, but not overly. So we've got a setup here, something that I learned when I was an apprentice for balancing fans for underground mine work. There's two handsaws set up here with a chock of wood between them in the vise to space them apart, and they're levelled up with a fair sort of a level, and the rotor is resting back against the one end of the level, and I'll just give that a tip. Right, there you go, she's off. So you'll see that it's actually fairly heavy in one spot. Alright, quite fast it run away from that, so we'll just take it back here now and I'll try and demonstrate. There you go, the rocking motion of it with its heavy spot is not quite opposite where I repaired those spokes before. But there is a photo of how much weight I had to add with solder wound around those spokes to get it fairly balanced. And it took quite a bit of solder. And so now I've got to work out whether I add solder or remove some of the metal, or a bit of both, methinks maybe. However, we'll work on all that and we'll be back with a video once it's in balance, I hope. Thanks for watching, people.